Hello, this is Luis from Install Auto. Today we have a navigation multimedia system for Nissan Elgrand E51. This is a 2002 to 2004 Series 1. The same system works with Series 2, 2004 to 2007. It comes with, it plays DVDs, CDs, it plays USB. You have a USB input here. You have an SD card input here. You have an extra USB cable in the glove box. We can also connect it to your existing dash monitor and also to your existing factory roof mount. If you don't have a roof mount, we can fit a brand new roof mount DVD player for you and connect it to this unit also. SD card, Bluetooth, you can make phone calls, receive phone calls, you can stream music, you can listen to the music from your phone. It is compatible with your steering wheel controls. Mode, next, but this one and this one, which is the Bluetooth, because it goes connected to the factory screen, these two buttons will not work. But you can, when you have a phone call, you just tap here, answer or hang up instead of the steering wheel controls. AM, FM, RDS radio for better reception. GPS with the latest Australian maps. It comes with CarPlay, Android Auto ready, 2 USB inputs, AV input for an external source, or we can also fit a front camera, calendar, clock, iPod. Comes with DVR, dashcam ready as well. Tire pressure monitoring system ready also. Calculator, games. And your existing reverse camera will still work. On your existing monitor. Sales and installations, please call Luis on 0404897027 or 0730535670. Installations in Brisbane, Gold Coast, Sunshine Coast, Toowoomba, Byron Bay available, and also we also have installers in Sydney and Melbourne metro areas. Thank you, have a good day.